My name is Doug, the Bearded Outdoorsman. Today we're going to be doing an unboxing of two products that we got in the mail. So a little bit of beard mail. I put a post on Instagram and showed you when I got these, but one of them is Savage Mane. So won this in a giveaway. This it's a wash. I don't know any details of it. And the other one is from Bad Dog Beard Co. So let's jump into it. I'm going to do an unboxing and a first impression on these. And let's see what we got. Alright. So, got a bracelet. Got a beard wash with no label. Alright, so we got a business card. Cool sticker. I'll go up here. And Doug, thank you for taking part in our beard wash giveaway and congratulations on your win. We've beefed up this version with natural jojoba beads to give you the extra layer of benefits by exfoliating your skin as you wash. The hope is that it will aid in reducing beard drift, itch, bumps, all while stimulating follicles, which will increase blood flow. So let's see, and then just give them some feedback since it's new, and let's see what it smells like. It comes sealed up. This is awesome. This will keep it from leaking in shipment, so this is an awesome addition for shipment. So the beads, I see the beads, they settled. You can see them on there. It'll focus. Not getting a whole lot of scent, so it may be unscented. But the beads have settled. You can see them right there. So just got to shake it up real good, and we'll start testing this out probably tonight. Oh yeah. So now so you can see those beads in there. So this is a new product from Savage Mane. So we're going to give this a good test and let you guys know what we think about it. So next we have Bad Dog. Now this, I know what this is. This is a beard oil that Jeff over at Bad Dog did to raise money for a friend of his who was in an accident. So it was a limited release. We can get it out. Right, so double packaged. This is Volcano. Check out that label. So we'll break down 1 ounce bottle, coconut oil, jojoba, argan, and fragrance. It'll be yellow. Ooh, what is that? That smells good. I cannot remember what he said the scent profile was from the website. This is a limited release, and I think he sold out like pretty fast because it was raising money for a friend of his. But that is awesome. Thumbs up from me. We'll get this in beard. I've already got some stuff in now, so we'll get this in beard, test it out, and I'll give a full review on Volcano. It smells really good in bottle. And I can't pinpoint what it is, but it smells really good. Alright guys, well that is it for today. Beard mail, 2 products, both of them. One of them is limited release, one of them is a new product. So make sure to hit that subscribe button, and I will have full reviews of these once I test them out. So until next time, stay bearded, get outdoors, and God bless.